Hi, my name is Leslie Briggs, and I'm a second-year law student at the University of Tulsa College of Law. I am also currently working in the Community Advocacy Clinic over at the Boshi Legal Clinic. It's part of the university here. What we do is we get to represent organizational clients, which is really interesting because a lot of what attorneys do is represent organizations rather than individuals. So we get the opportunity to work with different public interest groups who have policy issues or legal problems that they're interested in solving, and they come to us to work in teams on just all kinds of different things. But for this semester, I'm working with the Mental Health Association on issues around folks who are aging with severe mental illness, but also have a co-occurring physical disability. So a lot of times these folks, there aren't housing options available to them. So we're working on trying to find some solutions to that problem. And in addition to that, I'm also an Albert Schweitzer Fellow. That means I get to also design and implement my own project that's related sort of tangentially to health issues here in the Tulsa community, but really focusing on restorative justice in schools. So changing the way we think about discipline, changing the way we think about, on a policy level, how we address harm done to communities by individual actors. And so to that end, I've had a lot of support from the dean here, Dean Lynn Insroth. She actually helped fund a trip for me to go out to Oakland to attend the National Conference on Community and Restorative Justice. While I was there, I not only got to learn from people who've been practicing in that kind of field, you know, educators, folks in the criminal justice system, and even attorneys, but I also got to really get some concrete ideas about how to make effective macro and micro level change on a policy issue. So it was great for networking, but it was also great for my project, just substantively learning how to implement something like that back here in Tulsa. And so with all of that in mind, TU has really done a great job of focusing in on experiential learning opportunities for students. So not only are you in the classroom and you're learning learning how to think like a lawyer, as they say, but you're also able to go out, help represent real clients with real issues, or design your own program that you hope to affect policy on a widespread level in Tulsa Public Schools, for example. So TU Law really has focused on giving students the opportunity to get their hands dirty a little bit, make some mistakes, learn how to actually practice law. And I think that that has been one of the most beneficial things that I've had the opportunity to do